Hi guys, welcome to Arboleas on this beautiful May afternoon. You can just hear the rustle of the palm trees there. Check out these gorgeous palms. Just come around to do a walk around of a new listing, the stunning Villa Teddy. Easy walking distance from Arboleas Centre on a much larger than average, very private garden, beautiful views, and whoa, what a breathtaking property. The current owners have kind of put in loads of time and money into creating the most magnificent outside space. I'll just have a little pan around from this side. Newly refurbished. Swimming pool there. Double doors you see there come straight from the master bedroom. Hey, glorious. You can just hop out of bed, open the doors, evening or morning, and straight into the pool. Fantastic full-size detached bar, come summer kitchen over there. Just everything about this place screams quality. Popped over to the other side of the garden so we can just see this is an L-shaped design villa. Increases the privacy, not that's needed here because the gardens have been fully walled. You can walk right past these and not have a clue, a little inkling of what's on the inside. So you've got the wonderful arched aspect frontage there, two of the arches leading to an open porch, and then the other two they've created a fantastic glazed conservatory. The little door off the open arch you see that goes into the kitchen. There's doors also into the lounge, and then this door, as I said earlier, straight into the master bedroom. The gardens, you know, they love a wonderful garden. You've got established palms and yuccas, but effectively they've been designed with low maintenance and, you know, for use for yourselves, guests, entertaining. What a perfect area. Just creates a very expansive outside space. Just picture yourself here and enjoying a kind of poolside party. I mean, not being funny, you could have kind of 30, 40 guests over and this terrace wouldn't even be touched. Fantastic outside seating area here. As you can see, a happy place. It has got a sign which says the bar, but I don't know if you'll need one. This is a bar come summer kitchen, you know, fully equipped. Got a sink plumbed in out here. Obviously fridges underneath, lots of power points. This is the back corridor at the back of the villa. Again, very, very private. You've got two separate casitas there. We're going to have a look at those in a second. Let's just have a pan around from this side. Much needed extendable sun awning over this. I mean, it's coming on till 5 o'clock now. And I'm standing under here and it's welcome shade. So I've come round to the back of the villa now and you can just see just a whole corridor, beautiful orange and lemon trees. At the end there's a gate. Now this goes out to a double carport or parking bay, double parking bay. I'm not going to film that there because the owner's private vehicles are in there at the moment. And there's another door from where I started the video that gives you access out to that parking bay. As I said, almost like a dual storage area here. Log store, keeps the logs nice and dry. And then a very large casita, you know, for all your garden tools and pool cleaning equipment, etc, etc. Better still, I mean, it's 7 minutes from the entrance of this. You'd never know this was so close to the main town, but 7 minutes easy amble through citrus groves and you're sitting on the frontage of Arboleas and enjoying the bars and cafes over there. Look at those beautiful views at the back here. The star canopy every night is absolutely gorgeous as well. So coming along to the villa frontage, look, you've had two brand new extendable sun awnings put on here. You saw the one above the bar as well. And as I said, the guys who own this have done a fantastic job because they had a lovely arch fronted covered porch that ran the whole frontage. Well, they've kind of left half of it open. This little bit you see here. And then the other half they've had glazed in. So that's if you like your winter room. We'll pop in there and have a look in a minute. This is the summer room, beautifully shady, just off the kitchen. Perfect for that kind of evening glass of wine or the morning cup of tea. So straight off the open porch and you come into this newly kind of remodelled, very, very spacious kitchen. I hope you're getting some idea of the kind of scale, the size of this. A lot of the villas you get, you know, the kitchens are disappointingly small. That really can't be said for this one. Don't know if you can see up there, but you've got twin ceiling fans fitted in here. Ample room, so this is a kitchen diner essentially. And then there's a door access straight out to the gardens and via the open porch. This door leads, as you saw from the front, it's an L-shaped property and it just kind of wraps around the whole swimming pool and terrace. So double doors there to my right lead you into the glazed part of the porch. In the winter, when it gets a bit cooler, they've got a fantastic wood burner here and they just have these doors open, and this room is so warm and toasty. You've got sliding fly screens. This is literally brand new. See the views there in the background. What a wonderful kind of snug, if you like, cosy area. Loving the scooter bar. Wall-mounted TV up the end there. So let's back into the living room. Again, do a very slow pan around for you just so you can take this in, but this is central in the property. Arch access there takes you into the hallway where you've got all the bedrooms. See the wood burner tucked away in the corner. Absolutely beautifully appointed. They are actually top spec aluminium windows, and again with integral fly screens, so they look a bit character, but they're new. Top spec LG inverter, newly installed, air conditioning and heating. So this wonderfully spacious central hallway, this connects to the family bathroom and all three double bedrooms. I've just come into, this is the smallest one, I suppose, of the three bedrooms. Now, there's two singles in here, but they're big ones, so easily room in here for a king-size bed. Opted for a ceiling fan in that room. Then the main family bathroom, absolutely gorgeous. Full bath, overhead shower. Wonderful marble top vanity unit there. And then the second guest bedroom, which has kind of got dual usage. It's been, these newly added wardrobes turn it into a fantastic dressing room. Whole bank there going along the wall. And then at the end of the hallway, a fantastic master bedroom. Pan around for you. Oh, just so happy to get this property. What a beautiful, beautiful listing. So ceiling fan in here, plus a new LG aircon unit. Wall mounted TV again, door over there goes through to the ensuite. And got a nice panel heater in here as well. Again, additional fitted wardrobes. Apparently you can never have enough wardrobes, I've been told. Nice ensuite shower room, again with a wall-mounted heater. And then my favourite part of the master bedroom, these double doors right out to the swimming pool. Couldn't get much better than that, could you? Look? And trust me, it gets used. So there you have it, the fantastic Villa Teddy, 3-bed, 2-bathroom villa. Easy walking distance to Arboleas Centre. Full details will follow shortly. If you'd like to arrange a viewing, get in touch with us now, calidahomes@hotmail.com, +34 950 430 763, or +34 634 302 801.